Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by verifying essentials and taking the first actions. Check that your mobile plan allows tethering and that you have data left. Carriers can block access. Once confirmed, update the phone's OS and carrier settings, then restart the device so changes apply cleanly. Make sure power saver, VPN, and battery optimization are off for the Hotspot app. These often force disconnects. Doing this now prevents the simplest interruptions and sets a stable baseline before deeper troubleshooting. Now you'll focus on network and device-level fixes that stop mid-session dropouts. Switch bands. 5 GHz is faster, but has shorter range, too. 4 GHz penetrates walls better. Try both to see which stays connected. Assign a clear SSID and WPA2 or WPA3 password, and limit simultaneous connections to reduce load. If the hotspot still drops unpredictably, reset the phone's network settings to clear corrupt profiles, then reconfigure the hotspot. Finish with advanced checks and one decisive troubleshooting tip. Make sure firmware on both the host phone and client devices is current, then test the hotspot with a single client to eliminate cross-device interference. Use a hotspot monitor or the phone's logs to spot patterns, time of day, data thresholds, or specific apps causing drops. If problems persist, try a different phone or swap SIM cards to isolate whether the carrier or hardware is at fault. If isolated to the carrier, escalate to support with your test results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.